Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, February 11th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, a few announcements for today. Please make sure that you are posting your attendance. Also, make sure that you are syncing your grades in PowerSchool. If you have any issues with syncing your grades, please let Miss Gibbs know so that she can get those fixed. Late duty today is Miss Wolf. Important dates. Wednesday, February 16th, we have Course of Study PD during Extended PE. Monday, February 21st, we have a faculty meeting. February 25th, students may wear jeans and a school-appropriate Mardi Gras colored t-shirt for a $2 donation to United Way. And February 28th through March 2nd, no school for Mardi Gras break. Our important February dates this month is African American History Month, 7th through 11th. So we are ending our National School Counseling Week. February 11th is today is also the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. February 17th, Random Acts of Kindness Day. February 21st through 25th, Public Schools Week. And February 23rd, School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. Continuing with our Black History Month, we have some students that have been sharing some great information about some famous African Americans. Today, we have a presentation that's going to be written and read by Caitlin Ziem from Ms. Heishman's class, and she is going to tell us all about Frederick Douglass. All right, here we go.
Frederick Douglass was an African American who escaped slavery in Maryland and became a social reformer, abolitionist, orator, writer, and statesman. He became a national leader in the movement of Massachusetts and New York, but sadly died on February 20th, 1895, in Washington, D.C. Frederick's full name is Frederick Augustus Washington Bailey Douglass. Frederick taught himself how to read and write. He also met Abraham Lincoln. Frederick is famous for his autobiography, his first book, Native of the Frederick Douglass, an American Slave, in Boston of May. Frederick Douglass made 3 books in his lifetime.
All right, thank you, Caitlin, for that great information about Frederick Douglass. The word of the day is difference. In math, difference is the amount that remains after one quantity is subtracted from another. So if we're trying to find the difference between 289 and 146, we are going to subtract. The difference, the amount that is different between those two, is 143. 289 minus 146 equals 143. We found the difference between those two numbers. Also, we still have an alert. Be on the lookout for the little David. The David stuffed animal has gone missing from the library. David has always been a little mischievous, so there's no telling what he's gotten into, but we need him returned to the library immediately. Please help us get him home. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.